Lined and AB coated pipes. Okay, these are internally or externally coated pipes. Now first let us try to understand why we require this coating. Okay, what we are doing, we are combining two material. One is carbon steel and internal piping, internal lining. Okay, what we are doing, we are combining these things. What we are getting in combining this mechanical properties of carbon steel and low cost of carbon steel. When it is combined with the lining material, we will be getting something which is very useful in chemical industry. Okay, why it is important? Our main agenda is to avoid corrosion. Okay, we need to prevent leaks, consequent possible environmental disaster, fire, explosion, and service disruption. These everything what we keep on putting our effort to get something which is at low cost and mechanically very strong. So when we combine carbon steel with the lining material, we get something like this, which is very useful in our industry. Okay, so at low cost we will be getting something which can be used for various services, process requirements it will meet. Okay, what we are having, parent pipe which is carbon steel, then lining. Based on metallurgy and carbon process, we get these three recommendation: PTFE, PP, and PE. This is the material which is used as a lining material in carbon steel. Okay, in fitting also we can do the similar arrangement. These are internal piping, internal coating. Okay, at the same time we are having FBE coating with us, which is externally coated. Okay, how we are doing it? We are doing by fusion bonding. What is this fusion bonding? When we are applying this film wets and flows onto the steel surface on which it is applied, soon becomes a solid coated. Okay, by a chemical cross linking. What is this cross linking? This is fusion bonding. Based on this we call it fusion bonded epoxy coating. Okay, so these this is external coated, this is internal coated. Purpose is to get something mechanically strong which can be used in chemical industry. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.